Well, let's have a look at the Tool tab. In yellow, it's all about the 3 duplicated mode. And in purple, it's for the 2 deformers. So I will just create a cone. So what is great about the duplication mode? It's first thing, you don't have to work on the center of the world. Of course you can do, and you can be anywhere in the space, and you just click on the one you want. The linear, I click. You will have an option pop-up menu that will open. So what I did with the duplication is that now it's based on viewport manipulation. You don't have too much slider, you know. You just have 2 locators. One for the origin, the starting point. So when you move this locator, that moves your entire duplication system, and you can put anywhere you want. And the blue one is the target. So you will target this way. Okay. You can, if when you create the locator are not visible or are too big or too small size, you can go to setting here, and you have the tool. You can set your size locator by default here. You can also select the locator with these 2 icons. You have the number of duplication here and some random option. So for position, if you want to add some randomness, and control random on the 3 axis. Okay. So then you have the option to bake, so that will bake each instance into geometry, and you can't edit anymore, or you can keep your system in place and just close this window. Let's do a radial one. Same thing for radial. Origin, target. And some random setting if you want. Okay. Great things is now, if I have a mesh selected and I click, that will create a new system. But if you have one of the locators selected, it will open back the option, and you can edit again your duplication. Okay. And if you want to bake, just click bake, just wait, and now everything is baked into 3geo in a group. Okay, let's now have a look at about the curve one. So for curves, of course, we need a curve. For that, I give you some quick shortcut. If you just right click, you have access to the 3 curve creation mode and 3 sample mesh. So, okay, let's create a Bezier one, for example. Okay. And I will import a mesh. So the mesh can be anywhere in space. If you don't remember which one you have to select, because you have to select in order, you just come here, waiting for the pop-up, select mesh first and curve then. Okay, mesh and curve, you click, and you have your pop-up with, of course, the same thing than we see before. And it's all simplest than that. Now, about the deformers. It's just shortcut. Okay, that will set everything for you, and you don't have to go to the attribute editor. You will have the little pop-up here to play with your deformer directly. Okay, so it's just an improvement of the default one. And of course, you the lattice tree if you want to bake. Same thing for the lattice one. If you right click, you will have direct access to the right subdivision, or if you wrong click, you will have a 1-1 subdivision, which is one I like a lot because, you know, it's a kind of cage deformation which I use often. If you do something, you also can reset. Okay, if you do transformation and you want to go back, you select the mesh and you reset.